Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 1, leçon I. Okay, so let's see what we'll discover together, and together we'll discover in this lesson pour se présenter. So if you want to present yourself, okay, so it will be a really short lesson but still quite useful because, well, technically you will have to present yourself at one point when you speak with French people or French-speaking people. Okay, so let's discover how it goes. The first one, well, you tend to use this appeler verb, okay. Je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois, okay. Je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois. So you use this s'appeler verb. So I did introduce this verb in the previous lesson, so it was leçon H, okay. So if you didn't see this lesson, I definitely invite you to watch it, because I tend to explain the reason why, you know, I've got this, well, there is this je m'appelle form, okay. So je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois. So that's the first possibility you will have. The other possibility is to use this être, so to be verb. Je suis, I am, je suis Vincent Lefrançois. Okay, so the first one, je m'appelle, so basically s'appeler or je m'appelle, you could translate it directly, but, well, it's not really interesting, but still, you know, I call myself, okay, so that's the verb we tend to use when we introduce ourselves. Je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois, okay, and then the second one, I am, je suis Vincent Lefrançois, and the last option we will have is mon nom, my name, mon nom is Vincent Lefrançois, okay. First option, je m'appelle Vincent Lefrançois. Second, je suis Vincent Lefrançois. Last one, mon nom est Vincent Lefrançois. Of course, the first one is the most used, okay. Even if the verb is a bit tricky at the beginning, definitely you should work on it, and you should, well, master this s'appeler verb, because that's the one we will use when we introduce ourselves. Okay, so I hope it was clear. Have a great day. Remember that the next lesson, leçon J, is online, and you can find it here. Okay, and then I've been making more material, and they can be found here on imagier.net. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.